let's review in this video rear automatic emergency braking. It's a standard feature on all 2022 Outlanders. This here is a fully loaded version we're looking at, but also a base Outlander will have this safety feature. So it uses the sonar installed in the rear bumper to detect an obstacle in reverse, issuing warning and applying brakes when necessary to help avoid potential collisions. So we'll test this second in a sec, but essentially what it does, let's say you backing up, you're talking to your neighbor or maybe just looking the other opposite direction, didn't notice there is something in front of your backing up path, the system will actually kick in and brake for you. So the sonar system kicks in all kinds of detects all kinds of objects, bicycles, cars, garbage bins, large household items, and much more. Now we will test this system against this garbage bin. It's a pretty big object. We'll see how that goes. By the way, leave a comment if you ever hit a garbage bin while backing up. It will be interesting to see how many people have actually done this, and this system would be useful for them. Okay, so let's have a look how the system works. Will it actually stop? An important thing to do is to make sure that the emergency brake is on your vehicle. So you need to go into settings, go here, scroll down to driver assistance, then go to emergency brake, and make sure your emergency brake, the front and rear, especially the rear, because we're testing the rear one right now, is on. Otherwise the system won't work for you. So there we go, make sure it's on, and then you've done a good job for adding extra safety for your vehicle. So we are in the Outlander right now, and let's have a look how this system actually works. So I'm putting in reverse. So here's our garbage bin right there. This one has a 360 camera because this is a fully loaded GT version of it, but like I mentioned earlier, if you have a base Outlander, you also have this system. Now let's start backing up, and I won't press the brake pedal, and we'll see if the car actually stops and what happens when it does. So okay, let's roll. All right, it stopped. So it was not pressing the brake pedal, pretty harsh braking, but we can see that the sensors are beeping, the bin is right there, and the vehicle actually stopped a very good distance, and I was going fairly fast for backing up, so it worked really well. And now let's have a look how it looks from the outside. So there's the car. I'll be backing up right there where there's the garbage bin, and we'll see how it stops. Again, I won't be pressing the brake pedal. I'll let the safety system do its job. As we just saw, the system works really well. So the sonar detects everything that's behind the vehicle when you back up, and does the braking for you. And it could be any type of objects, garbage bins, bicycles, another car, large household items, doesn't matter. The vehicle is gonna stop. It works really well at a very slow speeds and higher speeds as well, as we just tested. Very good, impressive safety feature added to the new Outlander.